Are you tired of all the conflicting information about healthy eating? We're here to debunk the rules of healthy eating that you should forget about completely. Let's dive in. 1. You must avoid all fats. You must avoid all fats. This couldn't be further from the truth. Not all fats are bad for you. In fact, your body needs healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They provide essential nutrients and help maintain your overall well-being. 2. Carbohydrates are the enemy. Carbohydrates are the enemy. Well, not exactly. Carbohydrates are a vital source of energy for your body. The key is to choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide essential nutrients and fiber. 3. You should skip meals to lose weight. You should skip meals to lose weight. This is a big misconception. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later and mess with your metabolism. Instead, focus on balanced meals and healthy snacks throughout the day to keep your energy levels steady. Subscribe.